Welcome, friend. Today we'll see the basic of MAC address. The full form of MAC is what? Media Access Control. Okay, I was already told you in my previous lecture. So today we'll see how it works and what exactly MAC address. Okay, so here in this given lecture we have three basic outcome. After that, this lecture, the learner will be able to know the MAC address. So the first point is that understand the basic of MAC addressing. Second outcome, understand the difference between IP addresses and MAC addresses. The last outcome is what? See the MAC address in real device, means in your device also. So here a MAC address, MAC stand media access control. Okay, as I told you, every node in a LAN means local area network. Okay, so every node in a LAN network is identified with the help of MAC address. IP address is means location of a person, and a MAC address means a name of that person, of that person. So basically we can also say IP address is nothing but a logical address. This is what? Logical address. And MAC address is nothing but physical address. Okay. This a simple definition which will understand to us. So here we are having a two LAN network, LAN 1 and LAN 2. These two LAN network connected with the help of router 1 and router 2. These are two routers, and here these are the LAN machine which we say switches. Okay, they help us to connect more than one computer to each other, and we also call this network LAN, means local area network. Okay, so that's why here we are taking two LAN network, LAN 1 and LAN 2. So the switches required MAC address, and the machine which connected with the help of the switch required IP address. Okay, which is 32-bit address. In my previous lecture I already covered the logical address and what is exactly logical address, class of IP addresses, class A, class B and class C. These are the basic three classes, and D and E are the reserved classes. Okay, if you don't know about the IP addresses, please go to the playlist and see the logical addresses, class A, class B and class C. It will help you to know what is IP address. So today we'll see the MAC address. So here, whenever a machine is connected with a internet, a machine which is already in a LAN network and it want to connect with the internet, at that time that machine need an IP address. So similarly, that machine also have its MAC address which is already given by the manufacturer, but IP address which gives by the user, means end user, whenever we want to add our system in a network. Okay, so here the basic difference between them, that is what, this is assigned by the manufacturer, or this is designed by the user. Okay, so this is simple structure of the two LAN network which will connect between each other using two switches, LAN 1, LAN 2, and two routers, R1 and R2. Okay, so here we're having some basic nodes regards MAC address. Every node in the LAN is defined with the help of MAC address, physical address or hardware address. MAC address is also called physical address or hardware address. It is also unique like a IP address, cannot be changed. We cannot be changed MAC address assigned by the manufacturer. The next, represented in hexadecimal. IP address represent in a decimal dotted or binary notation, but the MAC address which is represent in a hexadecimal number which have the base 16. 16 is nothing but hexadecimal. Hexa means 6 and decimal means 10. 10 plus 6 which is equals to 16. Okay, in my upcoming series digital electronics I will explain what is hexadecimal. Now you just remember MAC address represent in the hexadecimal number system. Now here is the example of the hexadecimal MAC address: 70-20-90-EA-BC, and this IP address is total 48-bit address. Okay, 8 8 8 bit 8 bit 8 bit 8 bit 8 bit 4. Here these are 6 byte address, 1 2 3 4 5. One more is remaining here by mistake, that it would be suppose 7b. Okay, so 8 ones are 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, and 8 6 are 48. So total 48 bit, or sometime we also called 6 byte. So 6 into 8 which is equals to 48. Okay, now separator, sometime we use hyphen here, or sometime we can also use dot to separate 2 byte, and we are also use semicolon in MAC address, but in an IP address we are only use dot operator. Okay, only a dot operator in IP address, but in a MAC address we can use hyphen, period, or semicolon. Okay, sorry, it's a colon, not a semicolon. Okay, now here see the difference between IP address and MAC address. So the basic difference between them: needed for communication, definitely yes, correct. MAC address is also needed for communication. Here IP address is 32-bit and MAC address is 48-bit. Here represented in a decimal format or in a binary. Okay, but the decimal format is very popular than binary. Represent in hexadecimal only. Okay, there is no option for MAC address representing. Here IP address needed router or work on router. Here MAC address work on switch or needed a switch device. Okay, now here the example of IP address: 20.21.23.11, 4 byte, 1 2 3 4, 4 byte. So here 4 into 8 which is equals to 32 bit, and here these are the 48 byte means 48 bit means 6 byte, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 into 8 which is equals to 48 bit address. This is 32 bits address. This is 48 bits address. Okay. So IP is 32 bits and MAC address is 48 bits address. How to see in your device? So if you want to see the MAC address of your device, then how to see this? You may be familiar with how to see the IP address. If you don't know, just follow the instruction I'm giving here. Just go to the command prompt on your device, type cmd and write IP space config. If you want to see IP address, just type ipconfig and press the enter button. Then you will be able to see the IP address of your machine. If you want to see the MAC address of your machine, then write IP space config slash all. Okay, slash all. Then you will be able to see the MAC address of your device. And here in a MAC address, you will be also see the Ethernet adapter, Wi-Fi. The full form of Wi-Fi is what? Wireless fidelity. Okay, and also a LAN through Wi-Fi. The all MAC addresses of the given network, it will be shown on your screen. If you want to see just IP address, then don't put it slash all, just type IP space config, press enter button. Then you will be able to see the IP address of your system. If you want to see the MAC address of your device, then type IP space config slash all. Clear? Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Dharaz Infotech, and please don't forget press the notification bell icon. It will help you to notify the upcoming videos